Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this new turntable that I just picked up, record player, whatever you want to call it. Got us the new Sabrina Carpenter album right here that we're going to be listening to. My granddaughter absolutely loves Sabrina Carpenter. Please, please, please is her favorite song. She's only 18 months old. It's super adorable. Now, whenever you get this, you're gonna have your needle in here. It does have a little cover on there. The little cover is this little plastic piece, looks like that. You are also going to get the extra needle as well. In order to operate this, super easy to operate it, and I will play a little bit of music for you guys as well. First, you have to unlock the arm right there. There is a power button here on the back of this, so make sure you turn it on. Whenever you turn it on, this little power button or power light will light up. Whenever it's on phono, it's red. Bluetooth, it is blue. Auxiliary is purple. So phono, if you want to just hear it out of the speakers on here. And then of course, if you want the Bluetooth mode, it doesn't play to a speaker. You can play Bluetooth devices to this. And then if you want to listen to something on auxiliary, like a speaker, which I'll go ahead and hook up an extra speaker here just to show you that it does work, you'll switch it over to auxiliary. But for now, we're sticking to phono. We have a 33 in here right now, and it does have a switch on here, 33, 45, and 78 here on here. Also does have a little switch right here, so if you want it to automatically stop playing whenever the record is done, it will do that, so it's not just sitting there possibly scratching something. All right, so how to work this, we're gonna go ahead and lift the arm up. I already had it lifted up. And we're going to put it in position and it will start playing. We'll put it right there and drop that needle.
Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so much.
All right, so there you see, that is how it plays. Very easy. Sounds really good on here. I do have, like I said, another speaker that I will hook up to this really quick so you can see what it sounds like on that as well. And there is our other speaker. Really nice speaker right here, by the way. And plug it in, and you do have to turn this up a little bit, obviously, because it's connected to the headphone jack back here, but it does also have 2 RCA outs. All right, so that right there was Sabrina Carpenter, Please, 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 off of her latest album. I don't even know the name of her latest album. If I did, that might have sounded a little bit better for you all right there. But right there you go, and then whenever you're done, you're just gonna flip this up, and that lifts it up, and you're gonna take it back into the locked position and lock it down. This top here obviously does open and close, so you can close it. Don't want no kids going up here touching it. Cats like we have at our house, they were super entertained whenever they saw this thing begin to spin around. So you can close this top up and you will be good to go. And then last but not least on here, they do have a USB-PC connection, so you can actually connect this to your computer. So if for some reason you have like some old albums and you wanted to be able to transfer them digitally, you could do that. Super cool. You're gonna get those, pops and crackles from a vinyl that you can't get from anywhere else. So if you're interested in something like this, I highly recommend it. Go ahead and check it out.